Hey guys, YouTube. Oh, stupid filter. Hold on. Today I was thinking. Doing cold start video. It is minus. Well, it's 14. No, it's 14 right now. So I'm gonna go push snow today because just supposed to have a bare hill, so. And I am crossing my fingers right now, but I'm gonna have to set you down. There we go. Turn all the way up. I get some starting fluid because I'd rather not try starting this thing without the starting fluid. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Dang it. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna let it. Oh, she's not charging. There we go. There's a cold start. Just gonna let her warm up. We're gonna charge up those batteries. What in the heck? Well, so let me move this thing. This is gonna be extra hard for you. Oh, I bet you I could probably charge up the batteries. Start up this sucker. I wonder if I can start it up right now. Nothing. No battery power. They got all that smoke. So yeah, there you go guys. Cold start. On a John Deere 4020. Alright, I'm gonna say goodbye and good night.